Hey guys, it's Deborah from Time is Jewel by Deborah. Today we are doing the May #1 sale of super clearance. Everything will be $3 or under. So how you claim is you will claim by number down here in the comment section, and I will keep a completed sold list, and I will check that and update the list as it comes in. And don't worry if I don't see yours and you requested it. The person that came in first, I will go by the timestamp to see it. So welcome, welcome. All right, let's just go ahead and jump in. I'm not sure how many pieces we'll have today, but we are doing a super clearance. So we have a really cute Alex and Ani bracelet. #1, we're going to do for $1. Adjustable, love it. Or yeah, vintage 66. So this is a nice one. So #1 is $1. #2 is a pink hinged gold tone bangle. This one is 7 1/4 inches. No maker's mark on this. It's in excellent condition. #2, we're going to do that for $1. All right. #3 is black with brown. It feels like an acrylic. It's 8 1/4, but let's safely say 8. That is #3. We'll go ahead and do that for $1. #4. So I hope you guys are all doing, oops, knocked you guys around. Hope everyone is doing really well. Things are a little different around here every day, but you know, we are muddling through, and day by day, right? All right, so we have a gray or silver leather with a stud design adjustable bracelet. #4, we're going to do that for $1. #5, I'm going to get through some bracelets here. It's 7 1/4. It does have a little bit of wear on it. It is plastic. #5, we'll do that for $1. Excuse me. #6 is a Timex watch. It's really nice. All it needs is a battery. It's in excellent condition. We'll go ahead and do the Timex for $3. Okay, #7. I think I have another watch in here. This one is not marked, but in excellent condition as well. Just needs a battery replacement. It still has its plastic on the back. It is nice. It is stretchy. #7, we'll do that for $3. #8 is a fun silver tone bracelet that twists over itself. It's about a size 8. Go ahead and clear this out for $1. #9 is another Alex and Ani. This is a cute one. I like this one. Let's see, is this a vintage 66? No, this is not. But it is a cute one. #9, we'll go ahead and do that for $1. #10 is a pair of wood earrings with burgundy. They are like a balsa wood, so they're very, very light, but they are beautiful. #10, let's do those for $1. #11 is another Alex and Ani. This one's Boston. Love it. Adjustable bracelet. We're going to do it for $1. All right. #12, let me get the bracelet mandrel, is again about a size 8. This one is in gold tone. We will go ahead and do that for $1. Let me grab some more numbers out. All right. Let's pull in here. All right, this is a twisted silver tone with gold tone adjustable bracelet. It is currently sitting at about 6 3/4. We'll go ahead and do #13 for $1. #14 is another one of those twist bracelets. This one also is about a size 8. It is in gunmetal. We will go ahead and do #14 for $1. #15 is stretchy, so you can use it as a bracelet, but it is meant to be a sleeve roller upper. I don't know, there's a technical word for it, but that's what I call it. You can put it over your sleeve and then fold your sleeve over, and it helps hold your sleeves up. So #15 we'll do for $1. #16 is I'm trying to see. This is gold tone. It looks like Madewell, but it's not marked. It is a gold tone bracelet, 7 1/2 inches. #16 we'll do for $1. Number 17, this is gorgeous. So this is marked, let me see, what does that say? This one is Spartina, which is a great brand. It is a shell or a starfish with little rhinestones. It's pretty small. This one's about a 6.5. We'll go ahead and do the Spartina, great brand, for $3. Number 18, we're going to clear this out. It is the Little Bow by Keel James Patrick bracelet. It is adjustable. It is fully down, so it is at a size 7. We'll go ahead and do that for $1. Number 18. Number 19 is a pyrite ring. It is adjustable, so you can go from about a 7, probably up to about an 8.5. It is a pyrite ring. It is number 19. We'll go ahead and do that for $2. All right, grab some more numbers. Let's get a necklace here. So this is a silver tone and beaded long necklace. Really pretty. No maker's mark on it. It's in good condition. Number 20. We're going to clear it out for $1. Okay, let me see here. What can I find? Alright, this is cute. It's a double strand or a triple strand. Let me check it out. This is a triple strand with a brown satin. I would call it a satin ribbon. And you have faux pearls. Really pretty. We're going to go ahead and clear that out for $1. Number 21. Number 22 is new by Molly and Izzy. mollyandizzy.co.uk. It says the stars, so it has stars on it. It's really cute. I guess it's from their tarot tarot series, I guess. Number 22 we'll do for $2. Number 23 is cool. We had this once before. It is a claw holding a crystal ball. It is on a leather cord. You'd probably want to take this cord off and put a new one on it. It's number 23. We'll go ahead and do that for $2. Number 24 is a beautiful faceted, this is the hang tag. There's no maker's mark. Oh, wait. There is a maker's mark. Now that I flipped it over, it is, oh my. Nope, it just says China on it. I would call this like a peach color, and it's a graduated acrylic. This definitely can come off. It's like a sticker residue, but it is a pretty necklace. Number 24, we'll go ahead and do that for $1. Number 25 is a multi-beaded necklace, silver tone, and then it is graduated, really pretty. It's wood and mixed materials. Number 25, we're going to clear it out for $1. 26 is a really cute, very on the moon, and I think these glow in the dark. It is a pretty necklace. It is number 26. We're going to clear it out for $1. Okay, 27. And let me know if you guys love these sales as much as I do, because I love doing them, and I would love to be able to get you guys some great values. All right, so this is mixed materials. We have wood and we have glass beads on a brown cord with gold tone necklace. 27. We're going to do that for $1. 28 is a long strand of faux pearls. These are great for layering or adding a brooch to. Just really lovely. Number 28, we'll go ahead and do those for $2. Number 29, let's see. We're going to do these 3 bracelets together for $1. They're pretty. Let's see, they are about a 6 1/4. So we're doing these 3 bracelets for $1. Number 29. Okay, grab some more numbers. Number 30 is a pair of gunmetal earrings. They are hoops. I don't see any maker's mark. They're in excellent condition. Number 30 is going to be $1. Number 31 is a ring. Now this is a matte silver tone ring. So it's about an 8 1/4. It's really cool. I like the finish on it. And then this is acrylic, but this is just a really fun ring. And it has got the metal in there to be adjustable. I don't see any markings on it. Number 31, we're going to clear that out for $2. 32 is a pin. It is a flower pin with enamel, and it's got a marking on the back right there. Not sure who that is. It could be, let's see. Nope, don't know it. Okay, number 32, we're going to do for $1. Number 33, let me pull over my other thing there. These are gorgeous for summer. These are about 2.5 inches long. We're going to clear them out for $1. They do need a little cleaning right there, but they are string beaded earrings. Number 33, $1. 34 is a pair of acrylic earrings. They are in the faux tortoise shell. We're going to go ahead and do number 34 for $1. Number 35 is a glass pendant, Millefiori. Lovely. And it is on a silver tone little hanger here. Number 35 we're going to do for $3. Okay, grab more numbers. 36 is a really pretty pair of gunmetal blue and black earrings. They are for pierced ears. Oh, they are marked. These are I'm not sure what that says. Let's see if we can look here. Well, they are marked. Oops, sorry you guys. There you go. They are marked. I can't read it. I think at one time I knew who it was, but we'll go ahead and clear these out. Number 36 for $1. I think they're Burberry, maybe. Maybe. Don't hold me to that, though. Alright, so these are acrylic earrings. These are really cute. I love these. They're nice and light. They're fun and sassy. Number 37, we'll do those for $1. Number 38 are lovely. These are silver tone with black with like a faux snakeskin print. They are really nice earrings. Number 38, we'll do those for $1. Number 39, this is the last time we're showing these. These are really cute. They are tassels with black semi beads. Really nice. Let me see. Okay, I don't see a marking on them. Oh, maybe. Nope, not that I can see, but they're lovely earrings. Great for any time of year. Number 39, we're going to clear them out for $1. Number 40. This reminds me of Origami Owl. It is not marked, but it has a cross. It has an angel and faith in it. This does not open, but it is a cute little pendant. Number 40. We'll go ahead and do that for $2. Number 41 is a pair of beaded earrings in soft pastels. Gold tone. Number 41. We'll do those for $1. 42 is new on the card. 2 pairs of silver tone hoops. A new day. We'll go ahead and do those for $1. They are nickel free. Number 43. Let's see here. I got a couple trays going. So we have this fun necklace. So this is gold tone with a, I would call it a purpley blue with beads. It's pretty. That'd be fun to recraft. We'll go ahead and do this. And these are AB coated acrylics. 43. We'll do that for $1. 44 is a silver tone necklace. This is the flag necklace. This is final clearance for $1. It looks like a dyed howlite. It's in a pale lilac. Oh my goodness, turquoise color. I almost said flavor. Number 44. We'll do that for $1. Final clearance. 45 is a cute little necklace. Not sure what that stands for, but it's cute. Here is its hang tag. It is in excellent condition. It is number 45. We'll do that for $1. Number 46 is silver tone. And how did I get it knotted? All right, so this is a basic layering piece. It is rhinestones. It was silver tone necklace. So this would be great for layering. Number 46 will do for $2. Anything that sparkles catches my eye. All right, and then we have this necklace with a peace sign with rhinestones. Number 47, we'll do that one for $1. 48, let's see if I can find the other earring to this. It's funny how sometimes it's like, where did that go? All right, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. So we have silver tone with a glass rhinestone. It drops down. It is lovely. We're going to go ahead and clear this out for $3. This is my favorite piece of the day. So number 48 is $3. And the last item, let's see what I got. Let's see what I can find the pair to. How's that? All right. Let's do a pair of silver tone drop earrings. They are in a chain design. They're nice. Number 49 will do for $1. So don't forget, you guys, email, or no, don't email me. Go down here in the comment section to claim, and I will keep a completed sold list, and I will continuously check and see who came in first in case there's multiples. So that's how we are going to claim. And then the sale will only be open for 5 days. And then after that time, I am going to put up a wearable, resellable lot from all the things that didn't sell and give you guys an excellent price for the whole bunch. So, all right. Well, that's how you claim. And if you have any questions, email me at timeisjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. And I will see you guys real soon. And as always, take care of each other and be well. Bye, you guys. See you soon.